how's it going? Oh, you're on a fella, you're just Stevette. Well, I'm going to give you a little tour, honey. So here we go. This is the yard. Okay. Just a little tour, looking around. It's all green and pretty. Look at, there's Skylar. Hi, Sky. Skylar, wave to your mom. Mom. And then here's the back. Let me back up a little so you can get the full effect. Isn't that pretty? And we're gonna go down here and still got some work to do. Oh, left the lawnmower out. Anyway, look at the yard. So pretty, so pretty. Still got some work to do, some trimming. But we're getting there. Well, I gotta get the weed whacker out for that. Anyway, here we go. Backyard's all nice and pretty. Still got lots of work to do, but you get the idea. Anyway, going up here. I'm running out of breath. And just going up here and see what's going on. Oh, look, yeah, look at the side of the house. Looks so pretty. So pretty. And we're coming up around. And here we go. So pretty. Yep, looking pretty good, babe. Anyway, that's about it. Hope you're having a great day. We miss you. Miss you, honey. Love you. Hurry home. That's all. Bye.